Okay, on behalf of the Manuel family, I would like to extend our heartfelt thanks to everyone for your effort in coming here. And also, the effort you pay nga simunod i-theme tayo, which is the Bohemian theme. And it is my absolute pleasure to welcome you all to this memorable celebration. Tonight is not just a party, it is a celebration of growth, dreams, and the beautiful journey into adulthood of the debutante, Patricia May Manuel. We are honored to have all of you here to witness the once-in-a-lifetime event. Let us give a round of applause for our debutante, Patricia May Matamorosa Manuel. Wow! So very thankful to our guests, to our friends, to our relatives who are present today. Hey, Patricia, pwede ka nang umupo? To symbolize her transition from a young girl into a fine lady, may we call on her loving father, Alan Rodel Manuel, to present the debutante's first pair of high heels. As she steps in the shoes, may they guide her toward a future filled with confidence, strength, and success.
Leave these rough days far behind. You see them change. They're leaving every which way.
Welcome to adulthood.
And these are strange.
Lady treasures to please assemble at this western side.
Keep these rough days off my mind. Leave these rough days far behind. You see them change. They're leaving every which way.
As you know, Ruth has other stuff to do. So on behalf of Ruth, I will be reading her birthday message for you and her wishes. Okay. Hi friend, happy birthday. 18 ka, mabalin ka maikulongin. Joke. But kidding aside, thank you for always being there through my ups and downs. Don't forget that I'm always here cheering and clapping for you. May this gift remind you of yourself. As you open this one, it will show you what you are and how you mean so much to me. I love you. Again, happy birthday. Bye, Ruth.
Anak ko, Pat, happy 18th birthday. Yes. The gift ko is parang, diba hindi ubing ka, dadakyan si bag. Aduti ka na yung mga itugtugot. And detoy, kaya para kanya nga itugot mo no analat kailangan mo na silang dapat na itugot mo is isip and heart. Dapat you always trust yourself no anaman si decision nga ano. And be responsible, okay?
To the beautiful and gorgeous debutant, may I greet you a blessed and happy 80th birthday, Balasang ko. First, I choose the simple treasure in that chicken cup for you to put your bills and coins in it. Let it multiply, and every time you see it, you will remember me. And secondly, prayer is only the gift we can give to the person we love, to take care, bless, and protect you and watch all the days of your life. More graces and blessings upon you, balasang ko. Put God in the center of your life and be yourself. God bless and more birthdays to come.
Okay, next we have the 18 blue bills. So may I request the participants for the 18 blue bills to please assemble at the entrance of the hall.
And financial independence as our debutant enters adulthood. May we call on the following sponsors to present their blue bills.
Okay, so our first baby in the family is now a lady. Wow! Lady na si Patricia. Parang kailan lang nung gumagapang pa siya. Di ba? Okay, so okay Patricia, the message ko king ka is stay. Noa na ka man tata, please stay where you are. Always put your feet on the ground and I wish you success, most especially that college can. Okay, so you know how much we love you and congratulations for stepping to your adulthood.
Happy birthday, PM. Amok na you always remember your grandma Luz because I baptized you by the name PM, Patricia May. I learned a while ago that you were born in the afternoon. So, talagang PM ka. Thank you very much for inviting me, for giving me this opportunity to witness your very memorable 18th birthday. So, congratulations on stepping on adulthood. Happiest birthday, my dear. Ngayon, maday bagak. Balasangkan, agbasa ka nga nalaing, tuladem datika, nga nakabasa nga na siya at ngayon, hamututuladan isuda iti sabali nga bana. Okay? Among de giant. Nya? Kasi narigat, no? Memesam laktang. Awan kaduwang. Yan ako. So, happy birthday and I love you, Pat.
Hello, baby! Patricia, may inaanak. Okay, since birth, kilala ko na si Patricia kasi BFF si Tita Patricia and then nung naipanganak siya, may nakapinas siya religious hospital. Di ba, Mare? Nakamitimes ang umuna nga nakakita-kita. So, I'm so happy to witness you entering adulthood or womanhood na kunada. So, happy 18th birthday, balasang ko. And don't forget the ABCs of life. Okay, what are these ABCs? A stands for aspire. Don't forget to dream big. Dream high. Aim high for your bright future. Okay, and of course, B stands for be positive always and be brave. Be brave to achieve your dreams in life, Basan. And C stands for cherish. Cherish the memories, cherish all the people around you, especially your family, your friends, and everyone na nagmamahal sa'yo because they will serve as your support system in achieving your dreams.
Okay, so at this juncture, okay, may we have the singing of the traditional birthday song. Okay, may I request everyone to please stand? Happy birthday, Patricia! Hey, Patricia again!
Birthday, Patricia!
Okay, may we request Patricia to give your wishes first, okay, before blowing the candle. Yes!
Patricia is meaning na get nasingtet na get ken humble nga ubin. Kasi na yung kamjabalay na get nakadaydayaw nga ubin, nakaisisip, natatapasyari ka ni Patricia. Patricia always, naiyak ako. Patricia always listen to your mother kasi ino kang dyan ako get malayong mararating mo sa buhay. And be humble always, stay sweet as you are.
Hello, Ate Pat. Years ago, we're still a kid. Diba, tayo disabled pa doon, namimama tayo i-DJ eskwela. And that's how I met Ate Patricia. Back then, si Kaji ate of the group. Kasi si Kati, oldest one. And now, I realize that those moments at what mattered the most. As the years passed, life slowly changed. We all got older, busier, and started growing into different versions of ourselves. And today, standing here, seeing you all dressed up, it felt like just yesterday, you were just a little girl. And now, you're a beautiful young woman stepping into adulthood. So, once again, happy 18th birthday, Ate Patricia.
Thank you.
Hello, Ate May. Happy 18th birthday. Pwede di makita nyo bakit tatawag kasi na 18 years old ka pamangkin ko. Anyways, ate, 18 ka, act your age ko man, Tapos, agbasa ko, daing, ang tumatay baga amin in words, love and care ko kay God, pero through actions, among ko man. Happy 18th birthday! Ate, I'm so happy and honored to be part of your 18 candles today. Thank you for being such a loving, kind, and inspiring ate. As you enter adulthood, I wish you happiness, success, and strength to achieve all your dreams. Always remember that we'll always be here for you. Happy 18th birthday, ate. We love you so much.
Ay sisingkat ka. Kaya hindi ka kagaling mo pa. Masalok kinagagaling mo pa. Hindi ka kagaling mo pa. Masalok mo na. Basta. Nang nagakit ka nga bata. Agayon mo. Alam mo na. Yes. May kumata. May Diyos din subaybayan na kalata. Kinagsisin.
Wow! Hello, ate. Puta, adult message ko na wishes na kanya mo, di na mga ibagang kanya. Happy birthday. All the best in you. Good health and study hard. And ang moment no, among natanong ibagbak everyday met kanya, takayo tayo kita everyday. So, again, welcome to Miguel Asia and happy birthday, ate.
Actually, nakakasagana tayo tisyo ko. Kasi tayo nag-message kita ang sagit mo lang.
Amin na nag-message ka ni Trisha iti. Good health. Thank you so much kasi isungit ti message ko. Din ate. Awan na itong message kasi parang every day, every hour, every minute, every second nagdadot message ko kanya. Since bigat, hingga narabihin. At ito, message ko. Pero, nagigipin ka na yung uri ka sa no karigat. Uri ka sa no tanong miganda din. Amin. Ikarigatan miitin ka niya yung. Happy birthday, ate. Love you.
Okay, Ate Patricia, please blow now the candles. And doon maka-blow picture taking po. Group picture. For your first dance with Tantan. Dance, ate. Wow! Okay, their first dance. Father and daughter. A round of applause, please.
Simple nga present kayo tatakit dakkel nga pakalagлагing pakagingga na tunod umapel na. Paglalaro gini supportive friend ko man nakaka-banner pa, picture ko, thank you. Ken hamet nga possible dating nga event, no one di gini tao behind its back, ni tita Anne, tita Yang, ama, mama, daddy, so dati nagpasang master of the ceremony sudat ng plano dating Depoy. So thank you po, DJ lang, thank you. Lola Luz. Yung auntie.
Wow! Thank you, Lola.
Ay, ang dakargana! Thank you.
Ay, huwag ka mag
Ruth, happy birthday, friend. First of all, thank you for being a part of my high school era or journey. I will not forget those memories that we have created. Don't forget that I'm always here, always rooting, cheering, and clapping for you, no matter what. I love you again. Happy birthday from Ruth. This one's from Ruth. Thank you. Detoy Ken Marion. Daleto. Tupa to Lisa from Marion. Happy legal day, Pat. Stay healthy, stay smart, and patient always. May God bless you on your journey in life.
from I think dog. Padme, be a good young lady always. Study hard to reach your dreams. Remember, you are a Manuel, ready to face trials and challenges coming your way. Congratulations, best wishes on your 18th birthday. Love you, Corazon Manuel Apawa. Thank you, Lola. Okay na. Nakabong. Ay, haan, sabay.
Ang kita, I told you.
Is a wallet and maraming damit. Thank you, Lola. And for the biggest one, last but not the least, to Ate Patricia from Shena. Happy birthday, cheers, and welcome to adulthood. Thank you, Shena. Up! Wait, nakabungon pa. Nasa SM. Is a plushie with